Are you smoking, Mike?
Laser?
Yes.
Yeah?
It'll blind you instantly, so do not play with it.
Yeah, look, shoot down.
Look at that, it's actually burning. Should I, kids?
Start another spot,
Okay, I'll start it
like on the hay stuff,
Okay.
down under the log. Shoot down lower.
as far as I can get a mic. You got it? On video?
Oh, that's right, I'm taking a video of this, aren't I?
You're supposed to, yeah.
Well, I'm getting somewhere.
I can just get up and start the show this one. Can I do some just like down here, you think?
Yeah. Yeah. A toy. He's good with toys.
This is literally the most powerful one I have, and I can't believe they made this technology to fit in the hand. Alright, needs a rest. Otherwise, he'll burn off the crystal.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you have to do
And then